Hey everyone, welcome back to VAP by KD. If you're interested in ethical hacking, penetration testing, or cybersecurity but don't know where to practice legally, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you the top 5 beginner-friendly CTF platforms that can help you learn real hacking skills through hands-on challenges. Let's get started. Shack number 5, PicoCTF. First on our list is PicoCTF. PicoCTF is one of the best platforms for absolute beginners. It was created by Carnegie Mellon University and is designed specifically to teach cybersecurity concepts in a fun and interactive way. You'll find challenges related to web security, cryptography, reverse engineering, forensics, binary exploitation. The best part is that every challenge teaches you something new, making it perfect for students and beginners. If you've never solved a CTF challenge before, PicoCTF is a great place to start. Number 4, OverTheWire. Next, we have OverTheWire. OverTheWire is famous for its Bandit Challenge series. Bandit teaches you Linux fundamentals, command line skills, file permissions, SSH, and many concepts that every ethical hacker must know. Instead of random puzzles, each level builds on the previous one, making it feel like a structured cybersecurity course. If you're new to Linux, start with Bandit today. Trust me, it will improve your skills significantly. Number 3, TryHackMe. At number 3, we have TryHackMe. TryHackMe is one of the most popular cybersecurity learning platforms in the world. It provides guided learning paths covering ethical hacking, web application security, network security, Active Directory, penetration testing. What makes TryHackMe beginner-friendly is its step-by-step instructions and browser-based labs. You don't even need a powerful computer to start learning. Many cybersecurity professionals began their journey with TryHackMe. Number 2, Hack the Box Academy. Coming in at number 2 is Hack the Box Academy. While regular Hack the Box machines can be challenging, the Academy section is designed for learning. It offers structured modules on Linux, networking, web security, Active Directory, bug bounty hunting. The lessons explain both theory and practical attacks. Once you complete the Academy modules, you'll be ready to tackle real-world penetration testing labs. Number 1, PortSwigger Web Security Academy. And finally, our number 1 recommendation is PortSwigger Web Security Academy. If you want to become a web application security expert, this platform is absolutely amazing. It contains free labs covering SQL injection, cross-site scripting, authentication vulnerabilities, SSRF, CSRF, access control issues. Every topic includes detailed explanations followed by practical labs where you can exploit the vulnerability yourself. Many bug bounty hunters and penetration testers use PortSwigger Academy to sharpen their skills. And the best part? It's completely free. Shash bonus tip. Don't just solve challenges. Whenever you complete a challenge, take notes, understand why the vulnerability exists, learn how to fix it, practice the concept again. This approach will help you become a better ethical hacker much faster. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ethical hacking, VAPT, bug bounty, and cybersecurity content. Thanks for watching.